Businesses are seizing the opportunity using the cloud as a platform. So, just to start off with, what are the major industry market shifts that you are seeing currently, which are disrupting the way you do the business in the market, the way the business itself is transforming from what we used to do it generally? So it's this trend that is getting shifted in the digital economy in terms of personal computing is just moving on to the mobile. So like the earlier speakers who told, whatever that can be done on your laptops is now being able to be done on your smartphones, and you have your shift toward business offerings, like the way the applications which are being developed onto the mobile are disrupting the entire business. Say for example, I just wanted to give an example of how Meru used to do. I mean, so you have a business process BPO which used to take all the calls whenever you book the cab. Now, and they used to charge 50 rupees from everybody, right? Now with the application, what Meru they have developed an application on mobile whereby you can book and cancel the cabs, and by which the straightway there is a reduction of 50 rupees from a consumer. Because they are not paying any BPO unless until you call their call center. So that is how the business is. The BPO is now have to transform. The call centers have to transform themselves, because most of the businesses which are directly targeting their consumers are going through the mobile way. So that is how the market shifts are happening. So just to say how the cloud is redefining this technology, when I say the applications which are being developed on mobile and the social everything, what has it got to do with the cloud? So if you see the cloud earlier, the notion of the cloud was you have the files which you can access anywhere to increase your operational efficiency, because because you have an access to the data anywhere, anytime. But that notion of increasing the operational efficiency has changed. And today, the cloud is not about just increasing your operational efficiency, but how you can explore the opportunities using cloud in terms of growth of your business, how you can improve your profitability, and what way you can reach out to your customers. Because as earlier Prasad said, the social as a platform has changed the way you interact with your customers, with your partners, and vis-a-vis from customers, how they interact with their brand, with the companies.